Hello guys, welcome back. My first video in our SolidWorks design, which is used uh, in design purpose. So now, first of all, we are discuss about SolidWorks, how to design the model in SolidWorks. First of all, let's open the SolidWorks app. First, to tab, click on and open SolidWorks. Let me wait few time for opening this software. It is depend on your processor and which is work how efficient. First of all, we are select the part option. The circle is rotate. Now it is open. Yes, it is open. Click and now how to you design in SolidWorks software in first model. First of all, just left in a circle and upward look out the features option. Features option you just choose, and here the some extrude box option and revolve option, and now in right direction is the sketch option, and here one tab, and here sketch option is opened, and some features are there, sketch and smart dimension, and another option line, circle, and another here curvature or more of. First of all, you have just click a central rectangle block, just choose. Here we are observed that the plane option. First, in our first purpose to design the model, which is first choose a plane that is required for the plane purpose, which plane you have to use. First of all, I have to choose front plane, and now front plane is choose, and here is the plane axis. It is y-axis is the vertical direction and x-axis which is horizontal direction, and now we have to choose center point is the axis which is 0, 0, and select. Now we have to see that the rectangle box is created. So now the after the rectangular box to create, to choose the dimension, first you have to choose the right plane and smart dimension, which is look to see that 83.76. You have to change that dimension and to prefer your suitable dimension. I suppose I have to choose 50 for dimension, that's part 50. And now second one is horizontal plane for smart dimension 84.78, which is change something 70. Now we will look out that the rectangular block is 70 or 50, cross 70-50 block is ready. And now you have to create a 3D model to here you look the 2D model. It is changed to 2D to 3D. First of all, you have go through the features box, and now you have to look at that the features option, which is represent an option extrude box. Just click extrude box. Here some extruded part which is from the 2D sketch, and here it get to converted into a 3D block. Now I have to purpose for 30. Here 30 extruded part is here. Here's blind, up to vertex and up to surface. Here some options are there which is used for model, how to create that model up to surface, and up to vertex is preferred, but I have to blind. That option is more suitable. Here 26, change 30. Now we have to create the block. Yes, you have to change that block is to get a new design. Some plane axis, I have to choose first plane, which is y-axis plane, and now choose perpendicular option, and then I have to create a circle in the midpoint. Selected the circle and escape, and some smart dimension. I have to choose 25. Okay, then here the block is extruded up to that part. I have created a rectangular block, and in the middle portion hole to create, to choose extruded cut, and now get to cut. Yes, it is get to convert it into a hollow portion. I have changed in isometric. Yes, it's get to convert isometric view. Yes, first class. Now